bro, this
Some girls' organization they're working for, right?
Damn,
I
son.
come walking out of the bank. This first little girl walks up to me. She said, "Mister, would you like to buy some candy?"
Damn,
I said, "I probably would."
Bro, damn.
"What kind is it?" She said,
Oh my god.
"It's almond rosa."
Oh my god.
I said, "My
Oh
God,
my god.
that's my favorite." She said, "Wonderful." I said, "How much is it?" She said, "It's just $2. I thought, incredible. I said, "How many boxes of that candy have you got?" She said, 5. And her little friend was there. She was selling candy too. I said, "How many boxes have you got?"
Że boli, jak w moim serce uletają, rybkami glatają swobodne.
Yo, good morning, guys. It is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Tuesday. Alright, so the week has started. The week started yesterday. It was a slow start to the week, but later on in the day, around nighttime, we saw some action. Pretty much, I had setups and I just placed my orders. So I had some sell limits on GBP JPY. I had sell stop, sell limits on GA. And if you guys can't tell, I just woke up too. And it's 7, and yeah, it's exciting times. There's winter vibes, dude. Yesterday was the first day I actually felt the true winter wind, and it's just amazing. It's like the transition, you just notice it. And okay, besides that, yeah, I had to set up on gold. I had to buy, like I had a sell, like I saw a sell on gold, but my overall bias was long, so I had a buy limit instead of the sell because the sell wasn't my main move. But basically yesterday we got triggered into all the trades later on in the day at night in London, New Yorkish time, and gold hit me out stop loss, so that's about minus 30-40 pips, minus 1%. And then I got triggered in GA, which I'm up like break even at this point, and then GJ, which I am in drawdown. I have been in drawdown since yesterday. I'm just holding it, and that's about it. So far the signs are okay. I have nothing to do besides wait and watch, and that's just about it. That's the lifestyle. I just wait and watch. And if GA pushes lower today, then I do have a sell stop as well waiting there. So I will be triggered in a scale in position. And besides that, nothing much really, just exciting times. Times are changing, the season is changing. So is everything else in life. And we are just blessed. And I'm just grateful. Thank you. Yo guys, alright, a little quick update. It's still Asian. You can see outside. What a beautiful day. Oh my god, it's a beautiful day. But Asian session, it's still 10 a.m. I wasn't really expecting much moves, but we did have a move. And yeah, so yesterday I am short from here. Yesterday I was looking at the market. I wanted this push up. It pushed up on the 4 hour, push down, and then I placed a sell limit afterwards here, and wow, that was a beautiful entry. Now I've taken half profit here, 90 pips, and my second entry has triggered. So now I'm in 2 trades on GA, gold nothing, and GJ currently we were in drawdown all day yesterday, but right now we've somewhat, so there's a high, a new low, a new lower high, a new lower low, a new lower high has been and is being created. So ideally I would like to see a move down in London session. I've moved my stop loss from about up here to just right above this, and that's fine, and that's just about it. Besides that, new book, baby, it's that time. New book. So Maxim Gladwell, I just love this guy, and that's about it. Now I'm about to start this chapter, and it's always a really good read. Really good read, always. Never a bad time. And yeah, I recently just finished this one. Hold on. Don't mind my popcorn, my corn. I mean my peanuts. I love some peanuts. But Blink, this one was a really good book too. I'm done with it. It had good lessons that I could take into my trading, and those lessons were written down inside my journal. My journal's actually filling up really quickly too, so we're filling up, and it's exciting times. It is exciting times. Life is changing, big radical changes. It's awesome. The week has started. We took a loss yesterday on gold. That's okay. It's part of the game. And let's see if we can do something with GBP pairs. If these things can fall, wow, it'll be a good week. It'll be a really good week. Besides that, that's about it. I'm gonna read my book and probably update tomorrow. So you're probably gonna see the next clip anyways, but anyways, take care. Yo, good morning. Another day. Yesterday was it was all right. Let me just show you real quick what happened. All right, so this was Monday. Today's a Wednesday. Monday we got stopped out. Okay, no problem. GJ yesterday got closed out break even after going about 60 pips in profit. So break even after 60 pips. GA, we closed the first one at 90. We closed half close, so 1% on this, a little above 1% on this, and then about 0.7% on the second. The trading stop got hit at 42 pips, so half of it, the rest of the half got closed at 42 pips. GA break even, this also went into about 60, 70, 50 to 60 pips in profit before it hit me out break even, which is okay. These break evens honestly are making me really evaluate. I've even wrote that down in my journal. They're making me evaluate and adapt to different market conditions, so that like this one swing trade, that's nothing wrong with it. These two I did expect pullbacks, so I could have I'm looking and adapting and refining my strategy to basically see when I can take more intraday aggressive profits, and trades like this I can take more swing aggressive profits, right? And then basically what happened, this GA got closed out break even, but I was expecting it and I was ready for it. So once I got closed out, I took another GA and that got closed out break even as well. And so that's about it. I'll post the chart up right now. I'm reading this book, pretty good book, but I will post up, you should be able to see the charts right now. This is what I'm looking at GJ. I'll post up the screenshots, and I'm looking at GA. Markets are really slow, the news are coming out and stuff, but yeah, exciting times, exciting times. Gold, I don't really want to trade no more. But I'm watching how gold moves, to be honest, because so far every time I trade gold, I just eat a loss. If I don't trade it, the trade goes pretty well. This one was a pretty nice entry too. Anyways, that's about it. That is about it for the day. Today I'm going to some wealth management event, so gotta dress up real good for that, right? And yeah, it's a pretty good. It's in a really 5-star hotel, so let's see what networks I can build at this event. Besides that, amazing things are happening. I want to keep the amazing things on the low for a bit until they materialize into much greater things. But it's trading related, I can assure you that. Big things are really happening, and it's just awesome. Things are great. Anyways, that's about it. Take care. Hopefully I catch this GA or GJ. Hopefully the GJ buys. I'm starting to look for buys now, not the sells anymore. It's too choppy for the sell side. I don't see enough momentum. So bullish. Let's see what we can do. I'll be out today, so I have my buy limit on GJ. GA, not too sure what I want to do about that at the moment. GA, I might have a buy limit as well. Yeah, buy limit on GA as well. So I just have my buy limits and I'll just go about my day. That's about it. And I got that dishwasher job, by the way. I will be going and signing the contract next week. So that should be good. That should be good. Some income coming in. That's awesome. That's about it. Take care. Stay blessed. God damn. God damn. Yo, this is so sick. Dude, this is a 5-star. 4 seasons. I'm at the 4 seasons. So sick, bro. Yo, that's behind the scenes exclusive. Exclusive. So cool. Anyways, time to go. Time to go. Markets are pretty slow. I don't know if you can hear me, but markets are slow. No trades have been taken today, at least as far as I know. Choppy markets, but amazing event. Amazing. This whole place is so cool. Y'all just gotta check it out once in a while. Really, really cool. Check me out, dude. Check it out. Check it out. So cool. This is literally manifestations right here. That's just what it is. Yo, good morning, guys. Thursday morning. Yesterday, really nice, really good. The event was awesome. And so yesterday, if you remember, I placed a sell limit on GJ and GA. They never triggered yesterday. Nothing really happened. So I left them overnight just to see what price does, because price was relatively far away from them. And GA, I saw the sell limit as well, but I was outside and I never placed that sell limit. I just had the buy limit running, but that sell limit was clean, to the T, played out. My brother actually caught it, so props to him. Awesome. But yeah, this morning I woke up to a stop loss. So apparently the GA buy limit got triggered, and it got triggered around Asian Open and New York close. So it got triggered at the worst time possible, where you do not even want to be trading at all. And yeah, and it was just one of those bad trades which just goes direct to loss. So I just literally woke up to a stop loss. It's okay. Today I don't have any limit orders pending. I've taken away the GJ buy limit as well. I don't have any orders pending, but I will be watching the markets closely today. And London Open, when London opens, I will be looking for more of intraday trades to possibly make a 2 to 3% gain, and then I think I'm done for the week. After that, that's about it. So not really looking for much swing setup. I think if we're looking for swings, if we're patient, maybe next week or the week after, we might get some impulsive moves on GBP pairs to the upside, just from the way everything is looking at the moment. At least on GA. At least on GA. But yeah, that's about it. I'm meeting some amazing people. Some great connections are being formed right now, and that's just awesome. I love it. And remember, guys, trading is just a probability game. You will lose, you will win, you will have break-even trades. What matters is, over a period of trades, let's say 10 trades, the outcome is a profit. The outcome is a profit. You will lose, you will break even, and maybe 1 or 2 you will have really, really good trades. And those are the money-making trades. and that's just what you want. So don't be afraid of losing. It's part of the game. You have to put on risk in order to find out whether you can make or cannot make money. It's the price you have to pay. It's a business cost. And yeah, that's about it. So now I'm waiting for London. It's 11 a.m. right now. London opens in 4 hours. And yeah, probably just gonna take some intraday 2 to 3% trades in London. Just one, actually. I'm just gonna look for one good trade, and that should be it for the week. Besides that, yeah, you can probably see the screenshot right now on what I'm probably looking at. I'll probably look to sell GBP AUD, or if it comes to my buy levels, then I'll look to buy it as an intraday. And that's about it. That's just about it. Yo, alright guys. So I thought this time I'll kind of show you the behind the scenes of me trading. It's London now. It's 4 p.m. London opens at 3. And then I actually had an entry, so let me go straight to the charts. All right, first of all, how you guys like this dual setup, huh? You like it? That's the 4-hour GA, that's 1-hour GA. And on the 1 hour, basically I wanted to buy off 1.865. I wanted to buy it from there, but that was before 3. I was thinking, okay, I'll place a sell limit, but I didn't do that. I was waiting. And what just happened was basically just pushed. It just pushed. When I saw it, this had already happened. Price was like up here. This candle was happening. And then what I did was I just, on this new candle open, I bought it like on the top, at the very top. But then, because there was the bid and ask, the spread was pretty wide at the time. So I got filled in up here. That's okay. And because I didn't get my original entry from down here, which I wanted. So if you see on the 4 hour, we're still on a downtrend. So we got a high, a new low, a new high, a new low, a new lower high, a new low. So now I'm looking for a new a new lower high. So overall the bias is down. This move was just a very intraday up move. So I wanted to catch this from here with a 10 pip stop and a very big lot size, because my stop is really tight. But I didn't get that, so I entered here. This was not my ideal entry, so I did not go full lot on this. But if I had lost, my stop loss was right below this, and if I had lost this trade, I would have lost about 0.3%, which is okay, because my lot size is really small on this trade. It's not the main trade for me now. The main trade was from down here. If not this, then I want to sell. And the TP, once TP is hit, I have a sell limit waiting right at my TP. So once TP is hit, I'm gonna close 1%. So I'm banking 1% on this trade. And then once TP gets hit, I'm also triggered in the sell. And the stop loss is 1%. So I make 1% off this once TP gets hit. If I get triggered, if stop loss is hit, it's okay, because I've made that 1% from this already. And if this 1% I lose it, no problem. But you see so much resistance. If this works out, this is the 1 hour by the way, if it works out, then we can see a lot more downside, and the lot size is relatively bigger too on this. It's all still under 1%, and that's just it. Looking sick. This is just amazing. This is a sick ass setup, and that's the best trader ever. That's the boy, the greatest trader. Anyways, it's a beautiful day. I think I'm gonna go out, chill. I have no risk. Basically at this point I'm completely relaxed. I'm done for the week. This trade is break even. It's a trailing stop. If it hits profit, I get 1%, and then if I get triggered in the sell, I don't care if I lose or win, because I already made that 1%. So even if I lose, I basically don't lose anything, because I'm already 1% up. And yeah, I thought I'll share that, show you guys the behind the scenes. And then I got this dual setup. Looks freaking sick. It is awesome. Always wanted it. But yeah, that's about it. Anyways, take care. And then I'll update you maybe tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens, where the price is tomorrow morning, and let's see if I get stopped out or if the trade goes into profit. If it goes into profit, we'll have a really good week this week. If not, then it's alright. It's alright. It's a break even, slightly lost week, I guess. But that's about it. Alright guys, I have been very unhealthily at home all day on my chair, just sitting on my chair. And so now I am going to, you know, use my legs, shake my ass, and yeah. Oh shit, this bike is so heavy, man. Damn, this bike is really heavy. But anyways, that trade, remember, GA, the buy and the sell. Well, we got 1% from the buy, that's for sure. All right, hold on, let me get in the lift. But the sell, we lost that 1%, so that's what happened. We got 1% from the buy, the intraday, which I thought was the intraday move, but it was, price is like 90 pips above my take profit on that. And then the sell limit got triggered and then straight to stop loss. So it was a break even. So that's about it. Alright, yo. I think I found some really cool spot just to chill. Chill, I mean like just to sit in solitude, I guess, if you're alone. Anyways, the boat is here, and in there is where I was sitting inside. It's a nice dark place in there. It's pretty cool. And yeah, this is exercise. My job is starting, in about 2-3 days. In about 3 days. So I got 3 days of just I don't know, just 3 days of stuff, and then the real fun begins. We start the job, and that's good. That's awesome. The job is needed, it's part of the process, so that's awesome. I think I got a cleaner. They said I'm a cleaner, not a dishwasher, so I'm probably like a toilet cleaner. I got a toilet cleaner and floor cleaner. That's probably my job. But yeah, anyways, should be fun. Okay, back on exercise mode.
Tus colores